Hey guys, what's up? Adil here with Enthusiast Trader. In this video, I'll be reviewing the trades that I took on September 29th and also the trades that I'm interested in taking on September 30th. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So today the markets, after after gapping up yesterday, were flat and they're hugging the 50-day period moving average, but they held support, and now post-market they're slightly up, not much, but this is still looking like it wants to go higher. We'll see in the coming few days if we can break the 50, if we can stay above the 50-day period moving average. Then I think we start to go higher. The Qs also put in a narrow range doji bar after putting in a massive green candle. The Qs held support, and also is moving higher in the post market, not by much, but still. They have good support here at 270, 274.75. If that can hold, then this Qs are poised to make a move higher. So the trades that I took today, the first trade as a day trade that I took was Square. Square, I like the pre-market consolidation. I took it at 164.10 when this was breaking higher above this candle, and I got out at 164.88. I took half off at 1 hour, and then rest was break even. But this candle, when it came down, this took me out. If not, I would have gotten my full 2-hour target. The next trade that I took was SPWR. I like the relative strength of this, and I took this at 12.22 with a stop loss right under here. My target was 12.76, which, yes, it would have hit if I did not raise my stop loss. But unfortunately, I did raise my stop loss, and I got out of this trade at 12.35, somewhere right around here. All right, so those were the 2-day trades for today. Both were positive. The trades that I closed today was Etsy that I got in yesterday. On this break, we got in Etsy at 121.40, and I got out of Etsy at 123.82. I did not like how it was, struggling today. However, this still looks higher because the trend is intact. If this breaks below 118, then we'd be breaking the trend. But this still looks higher to me. But I had too many open positions, so I got out of this trade. I think that's the only one I closed today. The positions that I'm still in are Apple, holding this from 114.79. Amazon holding this from 32.31. Lowe's holding this from 170.35. This is not looking too good. But if this can hold the 50-period moving average, I am willing to hold this for a little bit longer. RH today gapped up in my favor. My position is at 385. This went up all the way to 385, but I'm holding it for a bigger move, possibly towards the 400, 410 mark. I'm holding Nvidia, I'm holding from 517. Today made a nice move in my favor, closing off the highs of the day, but still a solid close. Next up is the one that I'm holding is LEN. LEN, I got in at the break of this at 80.10. Somewhere here in this peekaboo candle, I got in at LEN at $80. Excuse me. Today also it peekabooed a little higher, but then it closed lower. But I still like this. Once it can break this because of all the consolidation and ROC over zero, holding above the 50-day period moving average, this can move higher. Next up, I'm holding CRUS. I got this in the break this break at 62.51. This really moved nicely in my favor. I'm looking for my first target around the 68 bucks. Um, so and this could potentially go much higher, but I will be taking profits around the 68, 69 area. Next up, I'm holding. I already talked about target. Target is I'm holding this from 156.24. It closed a little. It closed uh, a little lower today, or rather, put in a doji bar. But the post market is looking higher. Any volume? Not really. So I'm looking for this to make a move higher in the coming days. I'm holding semi CMI. I got in at 479 or 480 rather. And if this can break 490, guys, I'm adding to my position 490 for this to make a move higher. However, if this goes to 456 or 457, then I'm getting out of this position as well. All right, the trades for tomorrow are SPCE. I love the daily on this. This could be a potential 3-bar play. Tomorrow, if this does not gap up on me too much, and anything above $21, like 21.10, 21.20, I am a buyer of SPCE. Another stock I like is RBA. RBA is also looking juicy. Tomorrow, if this doesn't gap up, I am buying RBA at the market open. However, keep an eye for the volume. It's a thin traded stock. Next up is OPK. Um, I like how this consolidated, and now it's above zero. Uh, the 50-day moving average is there, but still it kind of consolidated sideways. Now it's looking to move higher. Tomorrow, OPK, I am a buyer if this doesn't gap up. Um, Another thing, volume is fine. BCAP, BCAP, I like again the sideways consolidation today. Put in a massive green candle on igniting volume. I'm looking to day trade this for tomorrow. Next up, what I like, Snap. Snap also, um, I I like the daily chart. If this can get above this candle at hot 26.76, so somewhere around 27, I am a buyer of Snap. All right, guys, that's it for now. A short idea is LOY. If this can go below this area of 145.67, this can go below, then it has room to go to 140. So that's one of my short ideas for tomorrow. So the one that I really like is SPCE, uh, OPK, OP, OPK, SPCE, and Semi are my top watches for tomorrow. All right, guys. As always, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Let me know what your thoughts in your comments in the comment section, and please, if you like the video, leave a like, press the like button on this video. All right, guys. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.